Hello, all. ThingsBoard is an open source IoT platform. Basically, it's a server side platform where you can transmit data from your IoT device, and ThingsBoard has different visualization um, options where you can represent your data in understandable format. So you can go to demo.thingsboard.io to log in, and this page opens up. And if you see here, if you already have a login here, or click on sign up. So you can do your sign up. So I'm going to create my account here. Okay. And okay, so the passwords. Okay, and then we are ready to have it, accept it, and then sign up. Okay, once you sign up, we will send ThingsBoard is going to send a mail to your account, and you have to acknowledge it. You are ready. Once you acknowledge it, you are ready to start with the ThingsBoard.